Good morning, Rangers. Mr. Meadham here on Wednesday morning. Yeah, Wednesday. And we are going to finish this puppy up today. Or at least we're going to glue the soundboard on. I hope you had a great weekend. Pretty nice weather, pretty warm. Got a lot of stuff done around the house. But yeah, so I'm going to kind of clean up this edge, make sure it's ready for glue. And the soundboard is up there. And we're going to get it ready to get clamped. So got a couple more days left, and so we'll see how far. Well, I want to get this done for sure, so you guys can see and hear it play after all this work. But let's see where we get today. All right, so I just took my sander and sanded around the perimeter. Got it pretty level. The sanding kind of mashes the grain fibers together, so I want to clean it up so that the glue bites good. So I'm taking a razor blade now and just kind of going across each edge. And those fibers that were kind of mashed are now getting cleaned up so that the glue will adhere well and properly. Alright, so I just took this other template, I cut out the middle so that I could kind of put this around the perimeter, and then when I clamp to it, I'm not clamping into this backside. I don't know if you can see, but this backside has a really big arch to it. I think it's for the sound. It looks kind of weird, but I think it's how it's supposed to be. There's no bracing on the back, which a normal guitar would have. But again, this is kind of a little bit smaller, not say kid-size model, but kind of a cheaper one. So I think if I tape this on here, then my clamps can go on and not mar that surface at all. I went home, or this morning before I came in, I grabbed all my clamps from home also, because I'm going to need a lot to make sure this thing gets put down tight. But I think we're ready. All right, we did it. I used a boatload of clamps, and it's all set up, nicely balanced on a router. Probably not the best idea I had, but I didn't really plan on doing it upside down. One thing I did do was put the pivot end of some of these clamps on that bowed backside, whereas the soundboard is flat, the top side bows, so I wanted that foot that kind of moves a little bit to be able to follow the contour of the back, and so I ended up putting all the clamps in this direction so that the flat side of the clamp was down here at the soundboard and the pivoting foot is on the back. Anyway, so tomorrow or the next time we come in here, I will take the clamps off, trim up the soundboard, put the neck on, and glue on the bridge, and we'll be ready to go. And we'll catch you guys soon. Have a good one.